this the mark ban for the knee. The comes and is coming. Yeah, these are tender bamboo shoots. We are boiling this one.
แต่ตลาดเดี๋ยวต้องแค่ไหนนี่ไก่ก็ได้
And the come on.
This is the eco stuff that the Corbett Foundation has given
This is, yes.
in Changdei village
Yeah.
in Tamenglong.
Yes, sir.
So we came to see if this is being used. So you said that it has got a fan.
Yeah. There's a small fan below.
The fan
So
is
this
underneath.
is how this is how we on and off. This will be on and then this will increase the fan.
So we can control the speed of the fan.
If it burns in full flame, then the fire will be consumed within a very short span of time. So we can control. Like if it is burning, then we can lessen the speed of the fan. That's how we control the fire.
So how many families have received this stuff in this village?
50 households, I think.
50.
50 households in the village.
And can you ask? I mean, I'd like to know from her what she thinks about this stuff.
Hay stop lại thì chỉ sau này thả lỏng thả mà làm thế sẽ cái sao là thế mình gọi hai là gấp thế
ที่นี่ก็แล้วตัวนั้นนี่ก่อยก็ก่อยให้เห็นเขาสวนในสวนก็ตุ้มตาก่อยเด้อ
what they're saying is like very less wood is consumed
So-
if you compare to the traditional one
So it consumes less wood.
yeah less
ตุ้มนี่
fire
ก็ตุ้มนี่
but it cooks fast because the
And it-
speed of the fan is like
And it cooks faster.
it's cook faster
Okay. So
so people they used to cut like this
yeah. So does it need extra labor to cut the wood in small pieces?
yeah this it's not a very huge kind of like
What she thinks about this extra labor? I mean, is she comfortable with that? Can you please ask once?
Ay, tulay na kumakagduwi ba ni tawan sa na habo. Para.
ก็มาทำเขาบอกรู้เลยนะคะก็มาทำเรากาว่างถูกแล้วก็ผูกแบบมันเนี่ยนะนี่
It's not,
Ay,
it's not
programan,
very
kailangan sila
challenging because like anyhow we have to chop if we have to do it also. So they'll go they go to the forest to collect these ones. Like instead of taking the long one, so they can just chop it and they can keep it in the bag and it's very easy for.
Yeah. So she thinks it's very helpful.
Yeah. นี่ก็เหนื่อยแฮะว่าหาเดือนนะสาววันนี้
So can you tell her that we are from the
อ๋อ
college?
ให้นนนะมันก็เนี่ยเราการว่าเป็นหนึ่งล่ะให้นนนะให้นนตรง director ให้corporate foundation ตรง director อย่างนี้เนี่ยให้มัน
ไอ้
ได้
ยาเสียกับตัวเราสวยแต่นะว่าพร้อมได้กินแล้วถึงมาได้นะนี่
ให้สาวเป็นเจ็บนะนี่ให้นนตรง organization ก็ได้เรื่องนะให้บางให้บางนั่นนี่ให้นนนะให้ลองเขาบ้างฝั่งนี้ so I mean I have this experience like there are very good recommendations and like especially during the winter season this was a hit actually.
So actually, Nambi, I mean, I have followed many rural programs wherein such stuffs are given, and I have seen in different states in India.
Okay.
Not many people use. Once you give, the transition is very difficult, and but here, like in our casual visit to a family, we can see that this is being used. So this speaks volumes about this particular product, isn't it? And I think the facility to use electricity to run the fan underneath actually makes the big difference,
Yeah.
isn't it?
And it seems the good thing about this one is they can run by solar also. Like
So-
you can connect to the solar plate, and then if the sun is quite high, then you can plug it in. It
So
seems
does
it works
solar
that
plate
way
also comes along
No,
with
no.
this?
It comes only with the adapter.
It comes with the adapter.
Yeah. So we didn't get a solar plate.
So if it was connected with a solar plate, it would run
They
on
said
with
it works. Yeah.
Okay. Yes, so this stuff that now we are seeing it being used, this comes through a project funded by Indigo Airlines, you know, the flight,
Yeah.
Indigo Reach. So
โอ้มิ้นกระตุ้ม
on behalf of her, will you like to say any words to Indigo?
Hay ni, hay project ko may Indigo Airlines na sama ta bangai ni. Ano no sponsor sa lot na wo to na. Kono hon nang menon te sala ni ta as thong ko han he ga han he to ma te ni. Ko man no la se kum sala.
กูห้านี่ให้ยาสมมาสงนี่สงกระตุ้มทิ้งนี่กูเร็วตัวหนักกระขานนี่ có reo tụt nãy ai cả gọi hàng thế thống cụ hàng hẹp hàng quăng mình hàng tì lao mình hàng tạ
Yes, she says she
nàng đã hát là ra thì họ
she
nàng
thank-
hộ là sọt thôi
yeah, she's expressing her gratitude to TCF and also for Indigo Airlines for enabling them to get access to these facilities. Like cooking is easier, less consumption of firewood. So she
แสง
says-
ไม่เนี่ยคุยแต่ช่วงโซ่ห้ยแสงไม่ข้ามไม่ทิวแต่เร็วตัวนี้
I think health wise also this one is much better because people from here the heat, like they have to face the heat more, especially during summer. So here then with this insulation and all, he said the heat also, like the heat that they had to face is lesser with this stove.
So what I get that I gather is that she wants to say thanks to
Yeah,
Indigo
yeah,
and
yeah.
the Corbett Foundation
Yeah,
for
yeah.
providing this stuff because not only it consumes less fuel wood, but she believes that it is healthier for her as well,
Yeah.
isn't it?
Yes.
So I'm very glad that I found her using this one on a casual visit. So please convey this to her.
Hey, tí lâu hôm nay xong kiểu mà bà bà mà tí lâu hôm mà cái chủ đề mà cũng lâu vào cái sai cũng mà lồng đèn có sáng phơi cũng hôm nay cũng xem nó cái này có hay là sao lồng đèn. Gần gần xem nó sao cũng mình xem
สอบเดียวสอบไปทั้งเสียงเป็นนาบนี่ก็กล้าก็ไปแกะ
This
ซี
one
หมด
like
นี่
cooker, you know, this one's with the synthetic handles and all that. And then sometimes early morning when they wake up early, they have to make like tea on a quick basis. Like they need some make it a little fast, nah? They used to do something.
And how many gas cylinders are required on a I mean, one
gas cylinder
in
karon
2
na
months or
kung
3 months
simple.
or what's the frequency?
คู่นี้ช่วงตัวติมหอติงกุ้งหัวเรียกกันนะ
Like cylinder thing kung
Oh.
tiny.
Oh.
So in this particular household, they use 2 cylinders in a year. So like 2
2
times.
cylinders in 1 year.
Yeah. So there's like they.
I mean,
But
they
there's
prefer
also
more or
the-
not than LPG.
มันใช้ได้เร็ว
How is the supply of the cylinder? What is the reason for using less? Is it the supply or the cost? It will be
Especially
good
in
if
how-
if she responds. I mean, you can please ask her.
ราคาให้สินไกบ้างก็บอกแต่นี่สังเกตให้ไม้สินไกนี่ให้แก๊สสินไกนี่
เกสโทเซมเขาสิงกว่าได้เกี่ยวฮอนได้ราคาเตะราคามึงใส่ได้ห้อยเก้าหนึ่งกูดังตัวนี้เสียก็มาเก็บมอยนิ่งก็นี่ถึงเขาคุยพรีช่วงสองหดนะคุยเตะช่วงละดีได้
Yeah. So one primary reason, especially in this household, especially with elders, in this family, they most of the time they need to keep warm. So that's how they said they have to keep this fireplace running most of the time. That is one reason.
Okay.
And so the other reasons would be like sometimes during rainy seasons and all firewood collection is
ส
a
มาร์ก
problem.
กันเขาก็ตระหดได้กี่คุย
So
เฮงอัน
they
นี้
use this one.
ก็ต้องเสียแสงเหมือนกัน
So is cost a factor or not
Like for using this one.
for the LPG?
Yeah, cost is also business price shoots up every
Yeah,
time.
yeah.
So, I mean, basically why they're using is like sometimes they can't always depend on this one. So
Yeah.
that's how it's like a secondary. I mean, another option, a backup plan.
Yeah, yeah.
That would be.
So, okay. What is she making at the moment?
Bamboo shoot, I think.
Is it a bamboo shoot?
Yeah, bamboo
This
shoot.
is for the dinner.
They'll consume. I think they'll boil this first and they'll cook again with the ingredients. I think.
Okay, okay, okay. Yeah. Thank you very much. It was great to visit you.
Thank you.
Thank you.